Hi everyone. Today I will introduce this fan which can quickly dissipate heat, exhaust smoke, and cure insulating glue when repairing the hashboard, thus speeding up the repair process. With the fan icon is the fan speed indicator light. Below it on the left is the fan speed button. When the light is green, it means low speed, blue means medium speed, and red is high. To the right of this button is the fan off button. There's also a UV curing indicator light, and its switch is at the bottom here. It has a built-in mercury switch, so if the fan tilts, it automatically turns off. Inside it is a 15,000 RPM fan with dual high-speed bearings, which allows for rapid cooling. Now, let me first demonstrate its cooling function. As we can see, the current temperature is around 60 degrees Celsius. Use this fan to aim at the place where heat dissipation is needed, and it can generally dissipate heat quickly in 30 to 60 seconds. Great! The temperature has dropped by about 30 degrees Celsius, and the effect is still very significant. Next, I'll demonstrate its smoke exhaust function. Also use the wind speed gear, then direct it toward the area needing smoke removal. We can see that the smoke is quickly blown away. Lastly, let's talk about its curing function. After repairing hashboards, control boards, or PSUs, applying insulating glue to protect the components is often necessary. At this point, we can use the curing function to speed up the solidification of these repair liquids. Notice, this is the curing light. Aim at the area that needs to be cured, and then press the UV light button. This process takes about 60 seconds. Of course, we can also check its curing progress at any time. Alright, it's completely cured now. Okay, the above is how to use it. Thank you for watching.